Have you ever wondered how the websites looked like back in the 90s and early 2000s? This web browser doesn't just recreate the old browser design, it actually lets you see what websites looked like back then. It's basically a time machine for the internet. Let's check it out. This web browser is called Reframe. It's available for Windows, Mac and Linux. It's open source, completely free, and there's no login or subscription required. I will leave the download link in the description. Just download and install. Once you install and open it, it looks like any modern browser. Let's go to Microsoft.com. Now here's where the magic happens. Click this button to open the time machine menu. As soon as you select year and month, the website instantly changes to show how it actually looked at that time. For example, if we go to February 2020, Microsoft was promoting Surface Pro 7 lineup. Now let's jump back to January 2015. You can see the Lumia phones on the homepage. Does anyone else remember Windows phones? Now let's see how Amazon looked like in 2015. You will also notice the URL includes the year you have selected, so you always know which version of the website you are viewing. Another feature I really like is that you can change the browser's appearance. You can switch between classic browsers like Internet Explorer and a few others. It adds to the retro experience. And if you want the full 90s experience, you can even simulate old dial-up modem speeds and watch pages load slowly, just like they used to. This browser is not meant to replace your current Chrome or Firefox browsers. It is made to bring back nostalgia. It's a fun way to relive the early days of the internet and see how your favorite websites have changed over the years. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and also subscribe if you are not. If you have any questions, please drop a comment. I will be happy to answer them. I will see you on the next one. Until next time, take care.